Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Outdoortide. That is www.outdoortide.com. Now, I've been working with Outdoortide for quite a while. I absolutely love them. Their customer service is superb. Their shipping is fast. Their products are amazing. They just overall a very spectacular shop. Now, at Outdoortide, you can find our favorite cross stitches. You can find all the newest beaded cross stitches, the 9-count cross stitches. You can find diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and all the tools and accessories your heart can dream of. They've also got a few other things you can look at. You must just go to the website and play around. I promise you there will be something that you really like. Now, if you spend over $59 at Outdoortide, you do get free shipping. Now, listen at this. If you want to save a little bit more, you use my discount code, and that is Rella15 off. So that is 15% off. That is amazing savings. Go grab it. And that's not even all. If you look on the screen, if you order for $39, you get a free blind box. Yes, so you even get a free blind box if you spend over $39. Now, I must tell you, you must remember to add that free blind box to your cart. Please do not forget that. All right. We've all said and done. Let's have a look at this. Look at this peonies. Oh my soul. Yes, they're beautiful. And they spring brand. They just everything we love, right? Okay. Alrighty then. So let's have a look at this. Okay. So, standard with your spring band, you get a reusable envelope with a press stud. Now, if your envelope has got this green motif on it, it means what? It means Egyptian cotton. If you get a box, the box will be red. That's ecological cotton. If the envelope is plain, it's ecological cotton. If the box are green and the envelope has got these green motifs on, it is Egyptian cotton. Alright, so let's see what this one is. This one is a 14 count, 45 by 60 centimeters, and it is glorious. It is purple and blues. I love it. I actually love it. Alright, it is 217 by 317 stitches. The pattern is fabulous. Amazing. Amazing pattern. Okay, so let's have a look here. Oh wow, that is nice. Oh golly gosh. Alright, so we've got 86 colors in full stitch. Mixed stitch, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 87th color is in there. So there's 87 colors in total, and we've got 86 of them in full stitch and 4 stitches in mixed stitch. This is gonna look fantastic. Wow, wow, wow. Before I put these papers away, let me show you this. Remember, you get a double-side printed instruction leaflet. You can go through that if you need it. Okay. Now, once again, what do I always say? I love that spring. Put the 8 in a separate packet. This is the part you really don't want to get ruined. Otherwise, it pushes it back to counted, and that is not what we want when we buy a printed cross stitch, right? Okay, so let's have a look. Beautiful white Ada. Beautiful, beautiful white Ada. It is serged all the way around for our convenience. Sorry. Now, There's the name, the 100-year celebration, the order, the name, the number, and 217 by 317 stitches. And most of it is block stitching. So all these symbols that you get is printed on your Ada, but they do correspond with your Ada, and also the symbols on your pattern corresponds with your Ada. Oh, this is nice. I'm first looking. Let's see. I'm going to turn it now for you guys. Now again, I always say, spring has got the most fabulous printing. You never wonder. I love this. I love the printing. And it's amazing because this printing looks like this on 16 count as well. Fabulous. So let me show you one more time. That's the top. I wonder if we can fit the whole thing now. Like there. And then we go there. Fabulous, beautiful product. Oh, let me put it sideways. That I can fit in. Look at that. Fabulous, right? I think it is glorious. Lots of colors. It's gonna come out like a masterpiece. What do I do here? Let me put this back here. Right, while I put this away, I want to ask if it's the first time you watching my videos. Please subscribe if you would be so kind. By doing that, you help me out a lot and you motivate me to make more videos. Also, it's for free, and if you like, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I will personally get back to you. Alright, so there's some spring needles. There's 2 of them attached to your color card, right? Now this, look at all the purples. Oh, I love purple. So we've got 1 to 30. Then we got 31 to 60. What's going on? There you go. And then of course our last one, 61 to 87. Look at this beautiful blues. Oh, I like this kind of blue. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's almost turquoisey. It's just beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Remember, all this floss is Egyptian cotton. So let's have a look at them together. And there we go. It is fabulous. Fabulous. Oh, it's really, really pretty. Amazing, amazing product. I'm so sorry about this. My phone is so soft and suddenly it just goes off. Alright, so there we go. I think this product is amazing. I just want to thank Outdoortide. It is superb. Thank you so, so much. Amazing. Then I want to speak to you. Yes, you. Thank you for always watching and supporting me, my Stitchy family. You guys really, really mean the world to me. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.